This is a workout to increase shoulder strength and range of motion. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker, certified in mat Pilates. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. And we'll begin lying down with a slight bend in the knees. Palms on the mat, arms straight. And scrunch the shoulders up to the ears. And release them back down. Let's do that 4 more times. Feel the trapezius engage as the shoulders lift up to the ears. And feel the lats and the under armpit muscles pulling the shoulders back down. Great job. And keeping a steady breath. And on the last one, come to a resting point with the shoulders back down. And with the arms straight, lift them up overhead. And back down. 4 more times. Great work. Now we're inhaling to lift up, exhaling to lift down. And last one, now with the arms up, squeeze the shoulder blades together and release. Great work. Again, squeezing the shoulder blades together, keeping the arms straight, and release. Isolating the scapula. 2 more. And release. Great. Last one. And now we're going to lift the arms all the way overhead. And back down to the mat. Good. 4 more. Inhale to lift the arms overhead. And back down. Great. As the arms come overhead, careful not to arch the lower back. Allowing the shoulder muscle to rotate up as the hands go overhead. And back down. Last one. And as the arms come down, let's curl all the way up into a seated position. Arms behind, fingers pointed back. Inhale, lift the chest up. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Exhale, release. Good. 3 more. Inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades. Stretching the chest and the front shoulders. On the way down, careful not to sag in between the shoulders. Last one. Great, and now moving into a long sit position. Hands just behind the bodies, strong in the shoulders, fingers pointed out from the body. Inhale and exhale, lift into a plank. Inhale back down. Great, still strong in the shoulders, not falling in. Exhale, up into a plank. Inhale back down. 3 more. Strong in the core. 2 more. Shoulders are strong. And if the straight legs are too much, just fine to bend the knee here. Coming up into that position. And bring it down. Let's flip on over to our stomach. Legs are straight, about the width of the mat. And forehead can be gently resting on the hands. Inhale and exhale, and this time we're just going to lift the elbows and squeeze the shoulder blades together. And back to start. Great. And again, 3 more times. Squeeze the shoulder blades, lift the elbows, and back to start. Great, and on this last one, we're going to continue all the way up to lift the head and the upper chest off the mat. And release. Great work. Let's keep that belly tight. Not pressing the belly into the mat for leverage. Let's go 3 more. Starting with the elbows, squeezing the shoulder blades, and then lifting the chest off the mat. Great, last one. And bring it down, rest for a moment. And this time as we go up, we'll move the arms down into a goalpost formation. Back to start and down. So a little added movement. Here we go, belly's tight. Elbows, shoulder blades, lift the chest off. Down into goalposts. Back to start and down. Great, 4 more. Exhale up. And inhale down. Or whatever breathing pattern is comfortable. This is a longer movement. And if this hurts the lower back, moving the feet wider apart can help. Last one. Great job. Down and rest. And now let's move the arms straight up overhead. And this will be very similar movement here. Little added weight to the shoulders with the arms straight overhead. But we'll begin by squeezing the shoulder blades together and then lifting the head and upper chest up off the mat. Here we go. Shoulder blades and up. Good. And down. 2 more. Shoulder blades up and down. Good. This next one, let's stay up and lower the right arm. Bring it up. Lower the left arm. Bring it up. Good. Continue with that pattern. A little modified swimming movement. And keeping a constant breath. Great job. Let's go 2 more on each side. Last one. Bring it down. And let's push back into a child's pose. Up into a 4-point stance. Knees under the hips. Wrists under the shoulders. All points of the fingers and hand contacting the mat equally. And let's isolate the scapula. So squeeze the shoulder blades together. And back to start. Again, 3 more times. Squeeze the shoulder blades for adduction and pull them back apart. That's abduction. Keeping the belly tight here, not sagging in towards the mat. Last one. Great, and I'll move up a touch, make sure we have room for a plank. So from this same position, right leg goes straight, left leg straight, right leg down, left leg down. Great job. Now let's start with the other leg. Left leg, right leg, left down, right down. So alternating each time. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Great. 2 more times each way. Good job. Keeping that belly tight. Hips aren't dropping. Not sagging into the scapula. So when we were isolating the scapula earlier, squeezing the shoulder blades together, that's what I don't want to do here. Good, and rest. And now take that right hand, put it on top of the left hand, and come down into child's pose with an extra stretch on the right side. Up, and now let's bring the right hand to the right side of the mat. Left hand goes on top of it, and sink down. And that's it for shoulders. That was probably 10 minutes, so pair that with this 15-minute abs session, and that's a great 25, 30-minute workout. Share this video with your friends and family. That's the only way that it will spread, and I'll see you at the next workout.